Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, this is how you create an AI agent. So first of all, you type in AI agent. It comes up, you click on it. I'm just going to go back. Here's my AI agent. Next, I'm going to give it chat model. And I'm going to keep it easy. I'm going to go for chat GPT, which will be under OpenAI. Chat model, done. I'm just going to go back because, well, I can't be bothered. Because I'm going to go memory. I'm going to give it simple memory. It's going to remember memory. Done. Finished. If I want to stick a tool on it, and I can do all sorts of different tools. One of them, which is super base, vector store. Which one am I going to use? Oh, I know. Why don't I choose the one on GCSE? Well, it should be down here. GCSE chemistry. Yay! There's my vector store, and I need an embedding. And all I did was, I was using Cohere. I've tried Cohere, but you can go down just use embeddings by OpenAI. And guess what, dude?
Oh.
Daddy's a bad man. Oh, do you know why that's not working? I haven't given it a description yet. This is a vector database for GCSE chemistry. Oh, finished. My agent is done. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to click save just in case. And do you know what? I don't like this website. I'm going to bin that and I'm going to tab and go webhook. Boom. I'm going to just go bang. Where's my webhook? And there's something in terms of connections you've now got to do. But that's a webhook done.
Oh.
And over here, respond with webhook. Oh no! And I can just Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. I wouldn't do the webhook until I've had a chat with this. Can you give me a GCSE chemistry question that is easy? What is the chemical symbol for water?
I'm
Ew!
going to go do
How
that.
shocking is Daddykins?
Daddy, when we're going?